Brené Brown, vulnerability researcher. Compassionate heart, strong spirit. That's the foundation of a chosen one, awakening. This quote emphasizes the importance of compassion and strength as key characteristics of chosen ones. Ever looked up at a star-filled sky, feeling a spark ignite within you? A deep sense that you were meant to do something extraordinary. Perhaps you've even wondered if you might be on a divine mission, destined to make a real difference in the world. Now, before you start picturing capes and fantastical powers, hold on. The idea of a chosen one isn't about superhuman abilities or instant recognition. It's about ordinary people like you who possess a hidden potential waiting to be unleashed. These individuals are unknowingly on a remarkable mission to leave the world a better place than they found it. Today, we're not just talking about chosen ones, we're talking about you. Do you ever experience a deep yearning to help others, even in difficult situations? Does a wellspring of compassion reside within you, inspiring hope and positive energy in those around you? If these qualities sound familiar, it could be a sign that you're on a divine mission, even if you haven't realized it yet. This video is your personal roadmap to uncovering the signs of your chosen one mission. We'll explore 9 key indicators that you're destined for greatness, and we'll show you how to nurture these qualities within yourself. Most importantly, we'll celebrate the empowering message that comes with being a chosen one. The message that you have the power to make a real difference in the world, right now, right where you are. So, are you ready to awaken the chosen one within? Join us on this exciting adventure of self-discovery and unleash your potential for positive impact. By the end, you might discover that the power to change the world already resides within you. Let's shine your light together. We all have moments where we feel a nudge, a gentle push towards something bigger. Maybe it's a cause that ignites a fire within you, protecting the environment, promoting social justice, or fostering creativity in others. Perhaps it's a general yearning to leave the world a better place than you found it. This deep and persistent urge to contribute something meaningful is the first sign you might be on a divine mission. Chosen ones aren't defined by their strength or abilities, they're defined by their compassion. As your mission unfolds, you'll likely notice a growing sensitivity to the needs of others. Their struggles resonate with you, and you feel a natural urge to lend a helping hand. This wellspring of compassion allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, inspiring hope and positive energy in those around you. Life throws challenges at everyone, but chosen ones possess a remarkable inner strength. Obstacles don't deter them, they see them as stepping stones on their path. They learn from their mistakes, bounce back from setbacks, and emerge from each challenge stronger and more determined. This unwavering resilience allows them to persevere through difficult situations and become a beacon of strength for others. Injustice can spark a fire in anyone, but chosen ones feel a deep-seated responsibility to stand up for what's right. They're bothered by inequality and injustice, and they feel compelled to speak out, even when it's uncomfortable. This doesn't have to involve grand gestures. Sometimes it's simply standing up for someone being treated unfairly or challenging a biased system. Chosen ones understand that positive change starts with small acts of courage. Have you ever complimented a stranger and seen their entire day brighten? That's the power of inspiration. Chosen ones possess a natural ability to uplift those around them. Their positive outlook and acts of kindness, no matter how small, can be contagious. They inspire others to see the good in the world and motivate them to join the cause. This ability to spark hope and enthusiasm in others is a powerful sign that you might be on a chosen one's mission. We've explored the idea of chosen ones and how they contribute to the world, but how do you know if you're one of them? Here are some key signs that might indicate you're on a divine mission. Chosen ones often possess a natural inclination to find solutions. They see challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities to create positive change. Do you find yourself constantly brainstorming ideas and seeking ways to improve things around you? This problem-solving spirit is a hallmark of a chosen one. The universe often speaks to us through unexpected connections and coincidences. Chosen ones tend to experience these signs more frequently. Maybe it's a chance encounter with someone who offers crucial advice. Or perhaps it's a series of events that lead you down a path you never anticipated. Learn to trust these seemingly random occurrences. They might be guiding you on your divine mission. Another intriguing sign is a heightened sense of intuition. Chosen ones often experience gut feelings or sudden flashes of insight that guide their decisions. Don't dismiss these inner nudges. They could be your inner compass, pointing you in the right direction. Learn to trust your intuition and use it to navigate your journey. Brené Brown, vulnerability researcher. Don't wait for perfection. Take action. Chosen ones make a difference, one step at a time. This quote encourages viewers to take action and embraces the continuous nature of making a difference. Chosen ones are action takers. They don't wait for the perfect moment or ideal circumstances. They start where they are with what they have. This doesn't mean starting a revolution overnight. Maybe it's volunteering your time, offering a helping hand to someone in need, or simply sharing a positive message with the world. Chosen ones understand that even small actions can create a ripple effect and lead to positive change. Here's the key takeaway. You don't need a cape or superpowers to be a chosen one. The power to make a difference already resides within you. Look for these signs within yourself: the compassion, the problem-solving spirit, the intuition, and the urge to take action. These are all indicators that you're on a divine mission to leave the world a better place. So, are you starting to see yourself in these descriptions? Don't be afraid to step into your power and embrace your role as a chosen one. The world needs your unique perspective, your problem-solving skills, and your unwavering optimism. In the next section, we'll explore how to nurture these qualities and embark on your own remarkable journey. A journey that starts with just one small step. Now that you've explored the signs of a chosen one's mission, it's time to ignite your own potential. The first step is acknowledging the incredible journey you're already on. Recognize those signs we discussed: the compassion, the inner strength, the urge to make a difference. These are all whispers of your divine mission waiting to be amplified. Don't shy away from your unique abilities. Every chosen one has their own strengths and passions. Perhaps you have a creative spark that inspires others, or maybe you excel at solving problems and finding solutions. Identifying a cause you're deeply passionate about will fuel your purpose and give your actions direction. Is it protecting the environment, helping those in need, promoting education and opportunity? Zero in on what ignites a fire within you, something that makes you want to roll up your sleeves and make a positive impact. Remember, even the most powerful chosen ones start somewhere. Don't get discouraged if you can't save the world overnight. The key is to start small and take consistent action. Volunteer your time at a local organization, offer support to a neighbor in need, or simply share a kind word that brightens someone's day. Even these small steps, when multiplied by many, can create a powerful ripple effect that leads to positive change. This journey of becoming a chosen one is a lifelong process. Never stop learning and growing. Read books related to your cause, seek out mentors in your field, and stay curious about new ideas. The more you learn and refine your skills, the greater impact you can make on the world. Take online courses, attend workshops, and connect with others who share your passion. Here's a secret: chosen ones aren't afraid to make mistakes. They see setbacks as opportunities to learn and adapt. So, don't be discouraged if you encounter challenges along the way. Dust yourself off, learn from your experiences, and keep moving forward with even greater determination. Remember, you have a unique spark within you. You have the power to inspire others, solve problems, and create positive change. Don't wait for someone else to take action. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Start your chosen one journey today, one small step at a time. Together, we can create a brighter future for all. Let's keep the conversation going. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What signs of a chosen one have you noticed in yourself? What cause are you passionate about? Together, let's inspire and empower each other on this incredible journey of becoming chosen ones. Throughout this video, we've explored the characteristics of chosen ones, the signs of their mission, and the strategies to empower your own growth. But the most important message we want to leave you with is this: the power to make a positive impact already resides within you. You are a chosen one, even if you haven't fully realized it yet. Don't underestimate your potential. You possess unique talents, a compassionate heart, and the strength to persevere. Recognize these as the tools you need to make a difference, no matter how big or small. Remember, every chosen one starts their journey with a single step. Your inner power is waiting to be unleashed, and the world needs your unique contribution. This doesn't have to be a grand, overwhelming endeavor. Take action, even if it starts small. Volunteer your time, offer support to someone in need, or simply share a positive message with those around you. Every act of kindness, every step towards positive change, ripples outward and inspires others. Remember, chosen ones are not infallible. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable on this path. But here's the secret: chosen ones aren't defined by their mistakes. They're defined by their ability to learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. So, don't let setbacks discourage you. See them as opportunities to grow and refine your approach. The journey of a chosen one is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, persistence, and a burning desire to make a difference. But the rewards are immeasurable. You have the power to inspire others, create positive change, and leave the world a better place than you found it. This is just the beginning of your chosen one journey. There will be challenges, there will be triumphs, and every step will shape your path. Embrace the adventure, the connections you'll make along the way, and the incredible feeling of fulfillment that comes with using your talents for good. The world needs your light. Shine brightly. If this video resonated with you, let us know. Give this video a thumbs up to show your support. And to stay up to date on all things Chosen Ones, subscribe to our channel. We have exciting content coming your way, filled with practical tips and inspiration to help you develop your chosen one qualities and make a positive impact on the world. Believe in yourself, take action, and never stop growing. You have the power to change the world, one step at a time. Go forth, chosen one.